Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at that 2023 RMAX2 XTR. We've just installed a bunch of accessories on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done on this one. So let's start off right on the front with that bash plate. This is from Yamaha. Both the bash plate and the front A-arm guards are from Yamaha. We've done the aluminum A-arm guards on the back as well. We'll show you those in a minute. We've also installed the upper brush guard on it. As you can see with the lights flashing there, we've got the Ryco Street Legal kit on it. We've got pod lights from R1 Industries, along with their lighted whips. The Yamaha upper light bar. USA glass windshield. With the whips and the rock lights, these are again from R1. They are Bluetooth. They look awesome. They do sync together. We've also got those rock sliders from Yamaha. Rear window from Super ATV. It's got a light tint to it, scratch resistant. New accessory for this year, giving you some additional storage from Yamaha. And the tailgate extender, also from Yamaha. The Ryco Street Legal kit ties into those stock tail lights as you see there. There's a look at those lower A-arm guards, again from Yamaha. You're looking to go out on an adventure this year? Do it in an XTR from Yamaha. Great build up on this one with the XTR. You do have that interior cab lighting. The Adventure Pro. Sound system. That rear view mirror that comes on this model standard is a great one. This unit is available for sale at Big Pine Sports. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. You can call or text that number anytime. We'll be glad to get you taken care of. What are we missing? Have a great day, everybody.